All right. Welcome, everybody. Pretty chill day for me. I basically got off in like the first 30 minutes. The only trade that I took today, oh, wow, nice W right at the end of the day. The only trade that I took today was the fi- whoops, that's the wrong day. Was the 15-minute orb. Let's draw this fib level out. Cool. So pretty much the only trade that I took today was 15-minute orb. I was looking to take it off at 1-to-1 risk reward, but because it kind of moved so fast, I had the take profit set to about 11 points, give or take. So when I went to adjust the position to kind of take some off before it hit 11 points, it kind of just spiked it and I took everything off at 1.33, which is fine. The profit was nice. And then I just got off. My eyes were hurting a little bit, so I decided to just get off the charts and just relax today afterwards. Other than that, I didn't really see much, at least when I was doing the watch list earlier, besides this W on the 15-minute, which was didn't actually complete. Let's see, the market is open now. Oh yeah, it looks like it's just completing now after hours. Nice. What was that? Up 22 points, 15-point risk. W completing somewhere up here. Cool. Anyway, pretty much all I did today. How about you guys? How'd the day go? Oh, one thing to note, for those who use the 15-minute retest, I would probably avoid taking it until the VIX is back under 20 because that thing has been slapping me up. So the regular orb seems to work better for this volatile Trump market. You were going to say something, Kev? My bad, I interrupted you.
Oh, well, I was just gonna say, I did the same thing. I did the same trade, except I did it on ES. Mine was actually the retest.
Oh, Mr. ES. All right. Big boy contracts.
In and out was done.
When did you get in?
See, boom, boom, right there.
Also, pretty much like kind of like the same area.
Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah, literally. Oh, that thing filled you to the tick.
Picture perfect.
Damn.
Took it all the way down, and that was it. I was done.
Very nice. Cool. Yeah, all you need is that one nice trade. Call it a day. Go live your life. Go to something else. That this hour changes mess me up. I hate when they do that. They just need to just keep it at one spot.
Can you explain more? What did you say about VIX? What was you saying?
So the VIX, pretty much the volatility index. Right now, oh, it looks like we're coming down a little bit, but the VIX is 2465. The last normal day that we had was February 20th. After that, got a huge spike. So you'll notice that premiums are a lot more expensive for like options. Also, the range that stocks move every day has increased by 30 to 50% because the volatility is so high now. So the retest orb, besides your perfect version today, we had literally zero drawdown. Um, because the volatility increased, while you may increase your stop loss. I'm just not sure what that could be increased to because I only use 50 points on YM, but maybe 70 or 80 may be better with the volatility now. But anyway, because until the VIX comes under 20 bucks, I probably won't be comfortable to take the retest anyway, because that thing has not been working that well. Probably out of the 10 times I've traded it, maybe two of them won. So I took a step back from that and I'm only taking the regular stop version in the meantime because that thing is it's trumping, to say the least. And if he speaks,
And you said,
definitely not taking
go
it.
ahead. I'm sorry.
No, no,
So
you're
you
good.
said under 20.
Yeah. So
Okay.
we'll see what happens. Looks like we might still be here for a minute because this thing is still high. Might even do a TTO on the daily. That'll be hilarious. I'm actually to sell some premium because the premiums are juiced, which is perfect. But yeah, let's see, Isaiah's. Mr. Platinum. We're back there. Let me bring that up. Yeah, metals look like they're moving up. Gold is going crazy. So you took the 4 hour break at the open. Platinum's 1,000. Sheesh.
Yeah, finally, a little longer.
Was it extended hours that you
Yes.
got in? Yeah, yeah, that makes a little more sense. Yeah, pretty much a little hammer right there. That thing just went straight up. Damn, how many points was that? 20 points? Solid trade. And your stop loss was pretty tight. Pretty much the bottom of that candle, it looks like, give or take. I think the Thinkorswim and TradingView prices might be a little off.
Yeah, I was like two ticks up.
So for 8 points, very nice. The risk reward definitely was nice. Let's see. So the trade looked like this for those who aren't following curve fully. What, 994? Nine four 40, and he got in at 9,864. And then the stop was 4 points away. Yep, 9,824. Nice. 2.03. Probably get some slippage to make it even two. Very nice. Yeah, a little TTO at market open and another one over here. Looks like that one would have failed, but the second entry would have worked. 15-minute didn't really give a clean one that I like, but worked out nonetheless. And we had a little Momo Hammer. Actually, Momo Hammer would be right here. This one's a better version than that one. Sweet. Oh, we got the whole gang in here. I'm gonna need some trades in the chat or come off mute. But yeah, that was a good trade, Isaiah. Very nice. I think for like metals and gold, strat wise, you may want to consider using like extended hours.
Yeah, most definitely. A lot of it in the London session. Some in Asia, but mostly London.
Yep. Yeah, metals are usually like London and Asia and stuff like that. New York, like today, I'm surprised it went that much in New York.
Yep, all the medals are going off. I got the alerts on the 4 hour for platinum and for gold at the same time. I had to decide which one to pick.
Yeah, gold went crazy. I know Forex traders love gold. I think that's their equivalent of like NQ for metals. Little kid in play action with his two up. Even though I wouldn't be looking to short metals anytime soon. Maybe as like a little scout, but that thing is super strong. Oh yeah, I forgot that they got rid of chicken futures. Yeah, what they call the cow ones. And I was gonna share a trade. I see your mic on.
Oh my God.
Did you take anything today? Didn't hear anything. I just saw your mic was open, so I thought you were gonna say something. Gotcha. Hey Woods, if you're still around, did that trade pan out that you mentioned to me?
Oh yeah, the double confirmation.
That was on ES, you said, or MES?
Yeah, that was on MES. Let me see. When did I take it?
What time frame?
Uh, let me see. I zoomed in on the five to get a better position, but it's really I just did like the appeal from like the top to the bottom leg earlier,
From
and
what time frame did you draw the fib on?
uh on the hour.
And that's extended or regular hours?
Mm. I think it was extended. I had drew it from like 5 a.m. to like 12 today.
So we got 5 a.m. to 12 noon. So pretty much this candle, like this.
Let me see. What the fib I drew at the end of the day. Well, you can redraw it. It says
So you said the first point is from 5 a.m.
yes. No, I think which one did I draw? Oh yeah, it was right there. Okay, when it I had zoomed in on the five after it had kept retesting on the 618. I was trading the extended hours.
Mhm.
After it went to the after it hit the 618 and went to the 50, then I'll just get in until it went all the way down to the 382,
And
using
you
like the 50% mark as like a double confirmation for the retracement.
gotcha. So did you get in on the 61, was it, or the 50?
No, I get in on the 50. After it touches the 50, I mean after it touches the 618, like it retraces to the 618, then it comes back down to the 50.
Gotcha. So pretty much you're waiting for, let's say in this case, once you drew your fib, it came back up to the 61, came back.
Uh-huh. And then it went back down to the 50.
Yeah, so it like
Or
got
it can retrace higher, but just like after it touches the 50, getting
gotcha. So pretty much rejected off here, broke through the 50, came back to the 50, and we had a
exactly.
ton of rejections here, which was a good confirmation. Yep.
Yeah.
And yeah, not bad. And then take it down, that's 6 points. That definitely adds up.
Yeah, that's what I was doing earlier, just get quick points to get out. I did that twice.
Very nice. You could leave like one contract for those 10 points. just so you can build that muscle to hold the position.
Yeah, that's why I was saying earlier when I was telling you I really should just I was getting out before it even reached the 382 and every on each trade it reached the 382 each time. I'm gonna just have to set them the bikes up like you said, the automation.
Yeah, definitely set the automation and literally just don't look at your screen if your nerves get up. Because for some trades, especially the W for me, I can't really look at the screen since I go a little higher in my position size. So I could be up like $450 before the first target. I'm like, I'm gonna just take this and then go enjoy my day. But I'm like, nah, because if I stay here, I'm gonna make at least like 800, $900 on the trade if it's a second target. So I have to like
Yeah,
look
that's
away.
my problem.
Yeah, I have to look away from the screen to kind of help with that and just wait. But yeah, solid trade. Good stuff.
Yeah, appreciate it.
This is kind of close to how I was taught fibs, but that's the most that I can say. All I'll say is that this is a great trade. I would have traded it in a similar fashion. My fibs would have been drawn somewhere else, but similar fashion with what you did.
Where will you have drawn your field?
No, that I can't show you guys. Maybe one day if he nullifies the NDA.
Okay.
But yeah, great trade nonetheless. Good stuff. Let's see. Jay, you took, I'm actually salty. I'm happy for you, but I'm salty because I completely missed this trade. I was looking at ES. This is literally perfect. So basically, he got in on the 212 down on the 4 hour, which when Tesla opens up as an inside bar and gives you the opportunity to actually get into the trade on time, like it works perfectly a good amount of the time. So this one pretty much gave a really clean entry, opened up here, broke that low, and just went down. Let me check the 5 minute or even the 15 minute. Yeah, even that first 15 minute candle. Well, basically the 5 minute candle got you in as soon as market open. You would have gotten around here. And it just went straight down for like 30 minutes. I would have been mega done on that trade. Good stuff. HD 15 minute. It pretty much looks like you took a 15 minute orb to the downside, then they just reversed on you right over here. Yeah, on the two up, yeah, pretty much around this area, and then it pretty much aged back down. Yeah. You could have re-entered here. The only reason I would have re-entered, usually I avoid TTOs like this, but I would have taken it because we have a tweezer top right here. And then also a bearish TTO. So you have two pieces of confluence for that trade. But it is what it is. Tomorrow's another day. I'm pretty sure the Tesla trade made up for it. All right, let's see. Back on MES. Oh, nice. You did get back in. Cool. So it worked out anyway. One thing to know for people who trade options, I know for stock, if you buy and sell within the same month, you can potentially get a wash sale, which you definitely don't want. Um, for options, I think if you get in and out of the same like the strike price and expiration, that can be a wash sale if like you lose and then you buy back in. So Usually, if that happens, and I'm gonna get back into a trade, I'll choose a different strike price or a different expiration, but usually a different strike price if it's like a day trade. All right, let's see. MES are adding around 5561 around 10 a.m. Around
That's kind of noisy. 1 minute charts.
what time frame?
I was watching it on the 5 and I dropped down to the 1 minute and was watching that wiki 1 minute bounce off the pre-market lows.
Oh, you're hanging out in the ghetto. Let me go there with you. The 1 minute time frame. I haven't seen this in a while. Yeah, yeah, like you mentioned, started getting those buys in that area. And then it went back up. Let's see.
I started to pick that off in the 60s, but it is what it is.
Let's see. You wrote it up to test the highs.
Yeah, we got up to like 56.02 or something. We got up at 84s.
Let's see. 4 micros. So you pretty much got in around this area. Well, whoops. Let me get my box. So pretty much like in this area. You got out where? 8-4.
Yeah, I used the 5 minute to trail it.
Damn, that's a nice one. Wait, I lost my drawing. There we go. Cool. Yeah, pretty much wait until every 5 minute candle closes, get out around this area. Good stuff. But what?
I was damn good.
You were what?
It was a really good one. Said in hindsight, I should have taken that off and hit the 5600 area there. It never really retested.
Yeah, looks like you could have rolled that up. And then as soon as it went to 2 and 2 up, came back into that inside, you could just cut it. But yeah, still a good trade nonetheless. You said on Top Step, you couldn't fix this stop loss for this trade or the
Not that one. I took the platinum Thinkorswim. I just had the buy order and I walked away to go to breakfast. And when I came back, I'd already got stopped out on Top Step.
Gotcha.
I didn't fix the stop loss into, I think it's what, 250 to 500. So when I walked away and it triggered me, I didn't hear it. So I didn't notice that.
Oh, you're brave.
So,
I
I know.
I always make sure to like finish my breakfast before I get on because that's happened before. I'm like, let me get some water. And then it triggers me in and I'm like running back to my desk to see what happened. So
Yeah. Hindsight, now I know.
yeah, it's part of the process. We'll all experience that.
I haven't traded platinum at all on Top Step, so I forgot how that they don't have the extra points, they have the stop. So yeah, that got me.
Cool. But yeah, great MES trade nonetheless. Darlene is here. Welcome. Please show us and enlighten us on your General Motors trade. She's on the board of directors now at this point, so she owns that company.
You're funny. I can't share it on, so you'll have to, yeah.
What time frame was it again?
It was the 15-minute.
And you entered in somewhere around here, if I recall correctly, with the message that I haven't responded to yet.
I got in at 10:08, 10:05. I'm Central Time.
Oh, so that's like 11 mine. Wait, didn't you get up in this area? Wait, so if you got 1105, well,
Yeah,
10
so
for
no, it's
you.
down further.
So it would have been like around this candle here.
So that was my question that I asked because um the shooter at my broad information. So that's what I took. I didn't take the 212 up because my broad information was close to that.
Mhm.
So I was going to see how it would react to it, and it bounced off of it. The next candle, I still didn't get in. The next candle, I still didn't get in because I wanted it to break below that one candle. So I wasted a whole getting in. Or was my entry like, I guess.
Let me make our lives easier. No, I want to get the picture itself. It's not what I want. Hold on. It should let me just bring up the picture in here. How did I do this last time? Oh, whoops. That's not what I want either. Hold on. Copy the image. That's so weird. Huh. All right. Wait, my screenshots aren't saving? This is even weirder. Hold on. There we go. Cool. Now we can see what you saw. All right, so these are your BFs right here, the yellow lines. And you wanted to like kind of get away from these levels, like this red one here.
I'm sorry, I'm talking to you with the mute on. No, the bottom of that black line.
Gotcha. So,
I wanted it there. That's where I got it.
and were you like hesitant to get in on these reversals here because of your other levels, or you wanted it to wait until this level was broken?
I was hesitant because of that level right there. I was like, it's gonna bounce there and go back up. So I wanted it to break before I got in.
Gotcha. That's fair. You know, if it's part of your rules, it is what it is. What I would say that you could potentially try out is even if you did just get in up here, you could have written it down to your support level. Granted, this is hindsight 2020, but just like just strat based, you have basically two rejections off looks like two BFs here. I would have taken it to the downside, but I always say if you're unsure about a trade, it's better to just skip it, or you can wait for more confirmation as you did, because if you are like uneasy about a trade, it's to me, I would just not even get in at all. Or as you did, I'll wait for potentially another piece of confirmation. So great trade nonetheless.
Thank you.
Cool. Any other trades you guys want me to look at? Did you take any trades today, Phil, or this week? Yes, not. Any last things you guys want to go over? All right, looks like we're all set. I will see you guys, at least for those who do join, the live trading session tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. For those who may be new and don't know about it, if you go to the events section in the Discord, there's going to be the Zoom link attached to the event, 9:15 a.m. every Tuesday and Friday. I also posted around 9:15 in the futures chat. So you can get the Zoom link there too if you want to join in. Other than that, enjoy your Thursday, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. And great job, everybody. Keep it up. Even if you didn't make money or you did make money, keep on following your rules and, do the best you can. Market's a little rough.